Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, how to make money from crypto airdrop, and also trading, sports and futures trading. Yes, so in this video, I'm going to show us how we can get MTN ship data. Yes, I'm going to show us 7 different codes how we can get MTN ship data, because a month ago MTN increased their data plan, and some of us, especially some of us in Web3, we are struggling to buy it. Yes, some of us are struggling to buy it. So in this video, I'm going to show us how we can get this ship data by using this code. I'm going to show us. Yes, so if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel. You will like this video also, and also share this video to your friends. Yes, share them to your friends. Share this video to your friends. Yes, let's get started now. All right, I'm going to call us and show us the code now. Yes, but I will advise now you pause this video and get pen and jotter so you can write this code. Yes, if you have done that, all right, let's start now. The first code is star 3 1 2 star 88 hash. You get it right? Star 3 1 2 star 88 hash. All right, let's dial it now and see. All right, you can see now. You can see this one. You will be charged 200 for this processor, 1 gig plus 500 MB monthly plan. Yes, you can see now. Is it to proceed? Select one. Okay, you can see now. If I want to do now, I can just press it. Just press this one. I just press one and continue. No, I'm not going to send this. I'm just showing us. I'm not going to continue with this. I'm just showing us the code. Yes, you can see now. You get 1 gig plus just 200 naira. Yes. All right, let's go to the second one. Let me cancel this. Let's go to the second one. The second one is star 406 star 3 hash. You get it, ba? Star 406 star 3 hash. All right, let's send it. See. All right, you can see this one. You see, enjoy post night live browsing from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. You can see this one. This one you get. You see it here. 500 MB for just 700. That means 715. Yes. 755. Okay, 755 naira. Yes. 755 naira. Yes, for 500 MB. But this one is for night browsing. Yes. This one is night browsing from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. This one is night browsing, and the good thing about this one, even if you finish, you can try it again. Let's see if you are on 8, you adjust the data. You can subscribe again. And continue what you are doing. Just maintain the time from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. every day. Yes, but this one you have to be on MTN Pulse. Yes, you must be on MTN Pulse. You can see now 575 naira for 500 MB, and you can continue doing this. Yes. All right, let's go to the third one. The third one is star 312 star 100 hash. Star 312 star 100 hash. All right, let's send this one and see. Okay, you can see this one also. You will be charged 200 naira for the process of 1 gig data bundle, valid for 30 days. This one is almost similar with the first one. Yes, 200 naira for 1 gig data 30 days. You can see now, so you can try it out. Yes, you can just try them out. Yes, just try it out. I'm not going to do it again. I'm just showing, as I was saying now, I'm not subscribing it. I'm just showing us, so you can just choose, select the one you want to do it. All right, let's go to the fourth. Let me cancel this now. Let's go to the fourth one. Star 312 star 312 star 1 hash. You get right? Star 312 star 1 hash. All right, let's send it and see. Okay, you can see this one also. This one is 7 how do they call it now, 75 for 75 MB. You see 100 for 100 MB, 200 naira for 230 MB, 350 for 500 MB, 500 naira for 1 gig, 1000 naira for 3.2 gigabytes, 750 naira for 2 gig, 900 for 2.5 gigabytes. So you can see them also. This one is not too bad. Yes, you can try them out. Yes, it's not bad also. If you want to go next, you can click on this next 99 and go next and check them all. Yes. All right, let's go to the sixth one. Yes, let me cancel. Let's go to the sixth one. All right, the sixth one is star 32F. Sorry. Star 32F star 86 hash. You get back? Star 32F star 86 hash. All right, let's send it. You can see this one also. Say you'll be charged 20 naira for the process of 75 MB plus 75 weekly plan. You can see to proceed, select. Okay, you can see it now. You'll be charged 20 naira for 75 MB plus 75 MB weekly plan. Yeah, this one is okay for those using small phone like Techno, all this small phone. Yes, you can try this one out. Yes. All right, let's go to the last one. The last one is star 32F star 199. All right, star 32F star 1. Yes, star 32F star 199 hash. Okay. All right. Okay. This is the sixth one. Okay, this is the sixth one. Okay, you can see it now. Get 1.5 gigabyte plus 100 MB YouTube music. Okay, I think this one is for YouTube. Yeah, those who are watching movies on YouTube or any other activities on YouTube. Yes, I think yes. This one is for YouTube. You can also subscribe it and try using other platforms. See, yes, you can see it here. If you want to subscribe to this one, you can go ahead and proceed and subscribe. They will charge you 600 naira. Yeah, they charge you 600 naira for 1.5 gigabyte plus 100 MB. Okay. They will give you 1.5 gigabyte plus 100 MB YouTube YouTube Music. Okay, all right. After they give you, they now ask what them before YouTube video and all that. Okay, you can also, this one is also okay. You can try it also. Yeah, this one is the sixth one. So let's go to the last one now. Yes, we are going to the last one now. The last one is the 344 hash. All right. This one is network or what? Okay, let me try again. Star 344 hash. Network 344 hash. Don't know why. 344 hash. All right. Okay, you can see now. Okay, this one is for educational bundle. This one is for education. Yes, those are using selected website. Yeah, there are websites you can use this one. This one is for education. Yes. So, but before you can do this, you have to join MTN Pulse. Yes, you have to join MTN Pulse and try this one. Yes, educational data. Yes, but before you can do that, you have to join them here. You can see in the join MPOS bundle and all that. So in our next video, I'm going to show us how to make use of this. Yes, I'm going to show us how to make use of this in our next video. Yes, ensure you try them all. Try them all, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more. Yes, I'm going to show us Airtel and other networks. I'm going to show us. So ensure you subscribe to this channel for more, and don't forget to like it, share it to your friends. Bye for now.